everyday thing. It's an everyday thing. It's an everyday thing when you let your nuts hang.
Hey, what it do, everyday people, man? It's your boy PJ. Today we got another Camaro video. We getting this bad baby out. Before we start to work on it, this bad baby need to be clean. So let y'all get a good look over. See, we still got that bad baby. We gotta get this fixed. I know how much it's gonna cost, about $300, but we're not ready for body work. We still can't get this motherfucker running to the fullest. These are the pipes that we got put on last in the summertime or sometime a long time ago. Got the dual pipes put on. He did a okay job. I wouldn't give him an A+, but he did it. So, and they kind of look crooked, but the tips weren't actually set on right, because this is an aftermarket. It's a Flowmaster pipe, so it actually sounds pretty damn good. You know what I'm saying? So there we go. The Melrose pipe. Wash on. You see y'all. We want to wash under the hood, man. It probably ain't that bad, but it is. I know I want to do. One day I need to get in here and clean off the inside, but I ain't got time because I'm working and shit. But you see it need a lot of cleaning, a lot of detail. You know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and pop that hood. Show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all that I did fix these latches. So these are the latches right here. So remember, I got those fixed, right? Let me see, gonna spray this motherfucker down. Get all that down. I need to put some down. God damn, this motherfucker dirt and grime all over this bitch. You know what I'm saying? So what I did, let's go in here. See if you push this button. Oh shit. Hit the red caddy. You know what I'm saying? We got this. But that left up on its own. So, you know, that's where we at with that. Is now all we gotta do, we still got the system hooked up. But we got the highs and the lows about to be bumping soon. But I got two 6x9s I'm ready to fix. But let's go ahead and get this motherfucker cleaned off. Let's get the water, get the air through that motherfucker. There's so much air in, I should've. No, I probably shouldn't do this motherfucking cold, but oh well. I'm pretty sure it's been done worse. I guess to get that soap in there. That motherfucker dirty and grimy. I think all the air is out that motherfucker. We'll see. more suds so it can look a little bit more ashy. Gotta get the suds on there. Damn. I wasn't gonna do this, but it's just too dirty to not do it. Like I got this motherfucker got dirt everywhere. But you ain't never heard somebody say, man, I'm finna go wash my car that don't run. Gotta move it out the garage to wash it. I gotta put it back in the garage. We can't have no dust ass car in the garage. I ain't got no cover. Maybe that'll be the next investment. No, I don't want to put a cover because then I won't look at it. And then motherfucker just gonna stay dirty or stay broke. When you see it after it dry off, you'll know that all that fucking dirt and shit is wiped off. Cause that was a lot of dirt. I'm talking about it's been sitting in the garage. It was sitting in my garage for some months. Now it's been sitting over here for some months. All right, everyday people, man. So, man, just got the Camaro good and clean. So now what we need to do is, what we gotta do, I'm finna go over all the shit that I wanna do to the good old Camaro. Start in 2022. You know what I'm saying? 2021, we're gonna work on the engine. I'm finna get this motherfucker running. Like I said, we're gonna be riding for sure in 2021. And for 2022, we're gonna start off, of course, getting this done, getting the windows retinted, getting this dent taken out. This dent, that's 300. Paint it. We'll probably go do a Mako special because we just going back black. All right, then we get new rims. I don't see how this tire is still hanging on. That mother got a big gash in it, but it's still holding on. So, you know, Mako paint. We got the doors still. So I think I'm gonna purchase some new doors. I think I'm gonna just go find me some black doors. I can get them from eBay, Amazon, $100 for 2 doors. I mean, that's basic. Ain't no need to take it to no poster and no shit like that. Then I gotta get this piece because they decided they was gonna screw it in and it bent it. So of course I gotta get new fog lights and new lights right here. Look like these was already new, you know what I'm saying? But we just need, they look like they been new. All of them is new, you know what I'm saying, except this one. This one don't look new, but maybe it is. It's cheap though, so whatever, you know what I'm saying. Make sure all my blinkers work. But I gotta get a new hood. So yeah, we might do a whole new bumper in here, but in the doors. And that's it, man. Like I said, we gonna be cruising this motherfucker. And if y'all keep playing with me, y'all come buy these 28s. I'm gonna put the 28s on the Camaro. Fucking playing with me. Come out stunting on y'all. But anyway, man, I just wanted to get this mug out of here, out of the garage, and get it dusted off because there was too much dust on it. I wanted to show y'all, man, this bad baby's coming back in 2022, okay? I might, once I get the engine, once I get it back running, I'm gonna give y'all another preview. I know it's been a while since y'all seen the baby. I think this is gonna be called, what I call it? This might be called the Black Cat. I don't know. Whatever it might be called. It's gonna be running. That's what the fuck it's gonna be doing next time. Alright? Alright, everyday people, man. Hey, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Check out me and my girl page, PJ and Cordy. Okay, I got a lot of big things coming in 2022. Got another page coming, another business page coming. So we're working on a lot of shit. So y'all stay tuned, okay? Alright, everyday people, I'll holler at you. Peace.